हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एफपीएल गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित एंड आई एम जॉइंड बाय जेन्युइनली, मतलब मजाक करता हूँ मैं वैसे, बट टू लेजेंडरी एफपीएल मैनेजर्स, वन ऑफ whom is 27 के मनन छिपर, who's going to win FPL. मेरे को भाटी साहब को absolutely there is no doubt, and the other one has absolutely smashed his wild card. People fucked up their wild cards, but Bhatia Saab is the prime example of how you smash the wild card. हम बात करेंगे दोस्तों very quickly about the scores, but main focus होगा on our free hit drafts because all three of us are on free hits. I'll talk about my draft for 30 seconds. भाटिया साहब और मनन के फ्री हिट ड्राफ्ट्स पे हम फिर आराम से फोकस कर सकते हैं. दोस्तों, स्टिक अराउंड इन द वीडियो. मनन और भाटिया साहब की टीम रिवील होगी. मेक श्योर दोस्तों आप लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड ऑफ कोर्स शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली दोस्तों, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास टू डिस्कस द इनसेन स्कोर्स ऑफ भाटिया साहब एंड मनन. मनन के तो इतना फोकस नहीं करेंगे, भाटिया साहब आपकी टीम पे फोकस करते हैं. एब्सोल्युटली इनसेन वाइल्ड कार्ड. जब आपने वाइल्ड कार्ड बनाया था तभी हमने बोल दिया था इनसेन है. सो मी एंड मनन आर नॉट सरप्राइज कि यू एब्सोल्युटली स्मैश्ड इट इन द फर्स्ट वीक इटसेल्फ. मनन, लुक एट द two Nikos. That's 25 points from the two Nikos. That's
Sir,
absolutely crazy.
sir, look at the double-digit hauls. Four double-digit hauls, 1-9 and 1-8. Like that. That's just incredible. मतलब in any week, sir. मतलब अब मैं क्या बोलूँ? People लोगों का इस सीजन एक दो डबल डिजिट ऑल आ रहे एक एक वीक में. And he has 4 to almost 5 double
कौन
digit.
कौन लोग
Insane
हैं?
wild card.
मेरे तो एक भी नहीं आते.
I'm sorry to I generalized it, but yeah, I think incredible wild card, but yeah, like well played.
Inspired picks. Nico Williams
Yeah.
तो inspired pick है 100%. And people went with Calvert Lewin, João Pedro, trash like that. Unfortunately, trash like
Well
that. But
back.
you got in Thiago and Bowen. That's 27 points. You got in the essentials. जो essentials लाने चाहिए थे. You got in the differentials. It's basically, Bhatia Sahab, this strategy of wild card and free hit 33 sort of worked out for you.
यार till I think Friday night deadline था. Till what 12 a.m. here where I am, I had not pulled the trigger. I had come from outside. कुछ changes नहीं किए थे. I was still debating whether to use my 2 free transfers or pull the wild card. Then I saw my team. I was like, Ekiti के पसंद नहीं है मुझे. Mbuemo खेलेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं. I had triple Chelsea, Enzo, Palmer, Chalobah, and I had some more rubbish to sort out. I was like, क्या मतलब है 2 ट्रांसफर करके 2 हफ्ते और खींच लूँ टीम 35 में सबके जैसे वाइल्ड कार्ड करके. So I just went for it, और I got a bit lucky with some of my picks. I was considering a couple of other differentials who did nothing. Dallo I was considering instead of Nico Williams. Luckily picked Nico Williams. So that would have been like a 10-point swing there. But I just wanted some picks जो लोगों के पास नहीं है. Defenders who are actually going forward. Nico Williams corner लेता है box में. I think 3 or 4 shots he had. He could have probably had another goal. जितने वो shots ले रहा था. And Sarr was a bit disappointing. I think midfield से थोड़ा ज़्यादा hope था मुझे, but the defense and the forwards definitely made up for it. A game week rank of 72K. I don't think last 1-2 साल में इतना अच्छा rank आया होगा मुझे in a game week. So take that and huge boost for my rank. I'll take it.
Yes, absolutely. You deserve it. It was a great team, great picks, and sets you up really well to end the season. मनन, आपके या भाटी साहब में निको विलियम्स थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, बट
Nico
उसके
Williams
अलावा
versus Tarkowski is the difference.
या
8 and
वर्ब्रुगन
6,
इज
7
देयर.
addition.
सोबोस्लाई आपको मतलब शिट परफॉर्मेंसेस में भी 5 पॉइंट दे देता है विद क्लीन शीट, डेफकॉन
He is
एटसेट्रा.
my Bowen.
I told you to start Rogers. You did not listen to me. In fact, you sucked me into play Sar. I think Palace
Yeah.
are going to focus on Europe now. It's pretty clear,
Yes.
especially the matches between the two legs. वो वाले I think crucial है.
Absolutely.
But yeah, great week. 75 points. Anything to add?
No, just half my rank. Really happy. O'Reilly, man, just a couple of. I think he's the. हम ट्रेंड की बात करते हैं ऑफ 4 सीजन अगो 5 सीजन जो हाई मुझे ओराइली देता है ड्यूरिंग सिटी मैचेस. आई डोंट थिंक आई एवर फेल्ट दैट आई इन सो जस्ट इट्स इनक्रेडिबल टू ओन हिम. Yeah, just in a very good spot.
Yeah, that was the only FOMO I had this week, O'Reilly, and again, matlab, clean sheet, goal, could have had more again. That's
Yeah,
the best
could have
part.
had
He
more.
could have had more. एंड एवरी मैच में मतलब 2 गोल मारता है फिर भी आप बोलते हो could have had more.
Every match he has a brace potential. That's how he's playing.
Absolutely.
8
Any
goals in
update
last
on
10
his
matches.
fitness? His
Nothing.
fitness?
So he was spotted in training. So and even at the end of the match, first of all जब उसको हुआ था he went off the ball. I think उसको हुआ था he went, ठीक है. उसके बाद जब मैच एंड हुआ he was with the team celebrating. He also did the वो fans को they were thanking the fans also. He was also include like वो पूरा ground का sort of एक चक्कर सा sort of मार रहे थे. O'Reilly was involved in that. So it doesn't look like it was like he's gonna miss weeks or something. It's just because Arsenal इतना important match and दोनों I think Arsenal के matches में अभी तक O'Reilly has scored if I'm not wrong. I don't think Pep will give us an update about it. He'll keep it very very vague, right?
But
And-
go on.
No, just I am not expecting any news. So he can play both matches. He can miss both matches. We won't get any news. Yeah.
मेरा एक्चुअली सवाल भाटे साहब से था कि डू यू थिंक जैसे मनन ने कहा कि इट्स सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मैच मैन सिटी, डू यू थिंक कि देयर इज अ चांस ही स्टार्ट्स अगेंस्ट आर्सेनल एंड फिर आयत नूरी को बॉन्डली अगेंस्ट खिला के आराम से सिटी जीत सकती है, नॉट रिस्क ओराइली? दैट्स
I
आल्सो अ
think
पॉसिबिलिटी.
that is the most likely scenario according to me, because O'Reilly जो उनको midfield से threat देता है and aerial presence देता है for crosses, like defenders Haaland को mark करते हैं, he's always unmarked in the box and his heading ability is pretty good. काफी goals उसके header से आए हैं, and with a physical team like Arsenal who just play for those set pieces, you need O'Reilly. So I am pretty sure that even if he's 70% fit, he will start the Arsenal game. उसके बाद if he aggravates something in the Arsenal game, he might get rotated for the Burnley one. Varna City need to win everything, right? So if he's 80%, 85% fit or doesn't injure himself again, he'll start the Burnley game. So it's too important for City right now.
55 points, Thiago, Bowen, Gordon, Haaland. Disappointing actually. मेरा तो थोड़ा sort of bench order गलत हो गया because I had Timber who did not play. तो if I had Alderete coming in instead of Romero, 7 points का फर्क होता. पूरे वीक मैंने रॉजर्स को स्टार्ट किया था इन प्लेस ऑफ सार. लास्ट मिनट आई गॉट इन सार क्योंकि मनन सार खिला रहा था. मुझे लगा मनन तो हर चीज़ के बारे में सही होता है तो सार कुछ करेगा इस मैच में क्योंकि मनन के पास ऑफ कोर्स.
सर मैंने इतनी बार आपको जबकि मैंने नहीं बोला, बट आई स्टिल हैव दैट सॉरी टू यू, बट या
सो आई थिंक उससे एक डिसेंट वो हो जाता. बट मेरे को वही दिख रहा है कि जैसे आपके डिफेंस में यू हैड ओराइली, निको विलियम्स, वर्ब्रुगन, वहाँ पे आई लॉस्ट आउट. अटैक में इट्स प्रीटी मच द सेम. So just need to focus on the defensive picks. Diouf got a clean sheet at least, so I'm happy about that. What about a player? I should have gotten Mavropanos right for 21 points.
Oh yes, it would have been incredible.
मुद्दे पे आते हैं अब दोस्तों, मुद्दे पे आते हैं जो है डबल गेम वीक. सो मनन, आई थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू एड्रेस कि half the people will be on bench boost and half the people will be on free hit and some people will not use any chips also. Right.
And some people might wildcard in 33, which is
might wildcard also of course. तो from a bench boost perspective अगर मैं बोलूँ, because हम तीनों bench boost पे नहीं है, people can't really do much right now because already wildcard कर चुके हैं previous weeks में. But any generic advice to those people who are bench boosting, because we don't know what players they have, but any generic advice?
Just activate the chip, I guess. And
go for it. इतना सोचना नहीं है, I guess.
नहीं मतलब if you already see Rakshit, if you are planning to bench boost in 33, that means wildcard 32 में you have already got it in the players, right? And I'm assuming आपने ऐसा किया होगा ताकि आपको if you have a lot of transfers, तो आपने probably you got in Gabriel or a Palace defender or someone single game week, right? But I think majority players they'll have 14 doublers, at least 13 to 14 doublers, and let's say the likes of Gabriel or Bruno जो सबसे ज़्यादा popular थे as single game weekers. तो I think you just have to activate the chip जब आपने plan किया है. Although हो सकता है 32 में wild card उतना अच्छा नहीं गया, but that doesn't mean कि you should change your strategy now. Just go with the bench boost, and I still think bench boost is the, अगर कोई bench boost का सबसे उसको जब हम ऑप्टिमाइज करने का बोलते हैं ना कि मोस्ट इफेक्टिव अगर कोई बेंच बूस्ट होगा वो 33, बिकॉज दे आर मोर फिक्सचर्स. अगेन ज्यादा कुछ कैलकुलेशन की जरूरत नहीं है. सो आई स्टिल फील बेंच बूस्ट 33 विल बी रियली गुड. ऑब्वियसली विल मिस आउट ऑन इट, बट या
this is the best week for all the chips in a way. It is the best week to free hit. It is the best week to bench boost also, and maybe you get triple captaincy choice in 36 also,
City are playing
considering
Burnley,
Palace
by
have
the
like
way.
given
So
up
triple
goals.
captain
हाँ
Haaland is
Burnley है,
still a good chance. Yeah.
true,
Yeah.
or someone else.
Yeah.
मतलब you have options, but 36 में भी आप कर सकते हो, but bench boost free hit का तो I think काफी अच्छा option है. But if someone has like a Gabriel on the bench, would you remove him or would you just keep him and play him as part of a bench boost?
I would sell him for a double.
Hmm.
Take your chances. City are likely scoring. Gabriel, probably get him in 35 for wild carding, because or sorry, people who already wild carded, it's 2 transfers for them, so that becomes tricky. But then if you want to maximize your chances, take a pick. Definitely
Yeah,
you'll have the
34 में
double
he has a
option.
fixture, so that's
But
also
Arsenal are
tricky.
not playing very
34
well,
has a
right?
fixture.
So
Yeah.
fixture ke bharose rakh ke try and get the points right now.
The problem though in removing Gabriel is just that will you able to get him back, right? People who already used wildcard. Let's say, do you want to use a transfer to get
It's
him
2
out?
transfers. It's 2
Yeah,
transfers.
and get him in again in 35 because fixtures to अच्छा है, and if City win this, the title race is going till the end, like 38 game week तक जाएगा. So again, it's something that you have to decide for your team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
There's
would say
a
you sell
scenario that-
Gabriel. I would say you sell Gabriel if you don't want him back in the near future.
Yeah, then only I agree.
If you make
Otherwise,
peace
I'll
with
keep
it.
him.
हाँ.
Yeah. What
Okay.
about the likes of O'Reilly? Let's say if we hear from Pep, let's say he'll miss one of the 2 game weeks, right? Or if I think if Pep is very very vague about O'Reilly, I think you keep O'Reilly. Still keep O'Reilly because even if he plays one, he can actually get a double digit or even in that match. But what would you do with O'Reilly? Let's say for people who have bought him on wildcard 32 and are planning to bench boost with O'Reilly. Rakshit?
आपको अपडेट का वेट करना है बस, क्या बोलूँगा और.
Yeah.
it's
अगर
tricky.
अपडेट नहीं दे रहा है पेप तो यू स्टिल कीप हिम बिकॉज यू वांट हिम लॉन्गर टर्म.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
सी इफ यू आर फ्री हिटिंग इन 34 फॉर एग्जांपल, आप अगर 32 वाइल्ड कार्ड, 33 बेंच बूस्ट, 34 फ्री हिट स्ट्रैटेजी पे हो, तब तो आपको टेंशन है ही नहीं, आप खिलाओ, राइट? अगर आप फ्री हिट नहीं कर रहे हो फॉर एग्जांपल, तो आप ओराइली बेच सकते हो अगर वेग अपडेट आता है, बिकॉज आपको एनीवेज 34 में प्लेयर चाहिए होंगे जो खेलते हैं, क्योंकि ओराइली हैज अ ब्लैंक ऑल्सो. सो इफ ही इज नॉट श्योर फॉर दिस वीक एंड इफ ही इज ब्लैंकिंग द नेक्स्ट वीक, तो आप फिर एटलीस्ट 2 वीक्स के लिए उसे बेच सकते हो. It totally depends on the update, Pep.
But then you again have to get him in. So again, same scenario because I still feel
लाना
he's the
पड़ेगा,
best
but
option.
if you're playing with 10 or 9 men in 34, then you sell him now.
Yeah.
And अगर आपके पास, अगर आप bench boost कर रहे हो, you want all 15 to play, right? You can't carry like a
It's tricky.
passenger in your team. हाँ.
Yeah.
तो काफी ट्रिकी है, क्या होगा? बट अगर थोड़ा सा भी इंडिकेशन मिलता है कि वो शायद ना खेले, सेल.
Let's now talk like जो हमारे screen पे graphic है from Rob T. Let's just look at first of all the projected goals. City 4.4, Chelsea are second, just about second, with Bournemouth be very close 3.153. बहुत difference है नहीं if you see between Chelsea, Bournemouth, Brighton, Leeds ना in terms of goals. Rakshit, first of all, I'll ask you instinctively आपको क्या लगता है कि which aside City, what are the teams you want to triple up? Let's say, for example, just looking at let's say even the goals and the clean sheet odds.
Yeah, because हम free hit पे हैं, मतलब we can go for punts also, by the way. If
Yeah.
you're already on a wild card, it's a different thing. But City का तो देखो 3 लेने ही है. The challenge will be कि कौन से 3 आपको fit करने अपनी टीम में, जिसके ऊपर हम आएंगे. Chelsea मुझे इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, and that's because I don't think they have the best fixtures also in this week. Also they're not in form, right? And also आप क्या लोगे उस टीम से, वो भी मुझे श्योर नहीं है. They are facing United. I think it's not an easy match at all. United thrive in these sort of matches. And second match is Brighton away, who have been in very good form. I think they won 5 of the last 6. सिर्फ आर्सेनल से हारे थे. And they are having a strong end to the season also. I think दोनों matches काफ़ी tricky है. More importantly, I think they're not playing well. So मैं तो चेल्सी से ट्रिपल अप नहीं करूँगा. डबल अप आप जा सकते हो, बट वो भी आप पाल्मर, जाओ पेड्रो सॉर्ट ऑफ पिक्स लोगे, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक डिफेंस में कुछ ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस है. बोर्नमथ, ब्राइटन, लीड्स, इन तीनों से मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है. लीड्स के डिफेंडर स्पेशली, ब्राइटन बोर्नमथ के अटैकर्स. काफ़ी ऑप्शंस है ब्राइटन में भी, पंट्स मोर सो. बोर्नमथ के थोड़े और प्रूवन एसेट्स हैं, क्रूपी हो गया फॉर एग्जांपल, टैवर्नियर हो गया. ब्राइटन से तो आपको थोड़ा पंट लेने पड़ेंगे. बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं मिडफील्ड में और आप डिस्कस कर रहे थे. यू हैव डिएगो गोमेज, मिटोमा, मिंटे, हिंचलवुड, पास्कल ग्रोस, वीफर, ऑल दीज गाइज आर मिडफील्डर्स. वेलबेक इज देयर ऑब्वियसली आगे. सो यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. पंट्स हैं. बोर्नमथ में थोड़े प्रूवन पिक्स हैं इन द सेंस की क्रूपी, इवानिल्सन, टैवर्नियर, सॉर्ट ऑफ दीज प्लेयर्स यू कैन गो फॉर. सेनेसी हिल अगर आप डिफेंस की बात करो, मे बी अ पेट्रोविच ऑल्सो. लीड्स में ज़्यादा अपील इज फॉर डिफेंडर्स. आई थिंक एक काफ़ी अच्छा चांस है एक मैच में क्लीन शीट का और दूसरे मैच में डेफकॉन्स का. सो अगर आप डेवलप करना चाहते हो डिफेंस में विद गुडमुनसन, बीजॉल, स्ट्रोइक, मे बी द कीपर, तो यू कैन गो फॉर समथिंग लाइक दैट. बर्नली से नो अपील.
एंड इंटरेस्टिंग, आपने लीड्स की बात करी. ऑब्वियसली दे आर सेकंड फॉर 1+ क्लीन शीट odds परसेंट. अगर आप देखो 52% जस्ट बिहाइंड सिटी. Just was looking at this stat that Calvert-Lewin has missed 10 of his 11 big chances in the last 6 or 8 game weeks. He's getting a lot of big chances again. Calvert-Lewin, हम बात करेंगे obviously picks पे, but I still feel Leeds are a team जिनका I'm more interested in defense, as you mentioned Rakshit. यहाँ पे और they are gonna get Defcons. But yes, I'll ask you Defcons के basis पे, because doubles में obviously अगर कोई डिफेंडर को दोनों गेम्स में डेफकॉन मिल रहा है, लेट्स से, यू नो, दैट्स योर 4 एडिशनल पॉइंट्स डेफिनेटली. सो स्ट्रक्चर वाइज, टीम स्ट्रक्चर वाइज, डू यू थिंक यू शुड फोकस ऑन, लेट्स से, जैसे रक्षित ने मेंशन किया ब्राइटन में बहुत सारे पंट्स हैं, वुड यू लीन मोर टुवर्ड्स, लेट्स से, अ पंट मिडफील्डर और अ रिलायबल डेफकॉन डिफेंडर? दैट इज समथिंग दैट मैं खुद अपनी टीम में कंसिडर कर रहा हूँ. Because 4-3-3 versus let's say a 3-4-3 का स्ट्रक्चर बनाओ, if you want to insert a Brighton midfielder or let's say Leeds defender or a Senesi Hill जो आपको दोनों मैच में डेफकॉन दे सकते हैं. Who are you leaning towards more in a double?
I think that comes down to how you read the games or how you expect the games to play out. अगर आप expect करो Brighton 2 गेम में 4 से 5 गोल मारेगी, definitely go for the midfielder. डेफकॉन आए नहीं आए, it's 2 points. अगर गोल आ गया आपको 2 तो बोनस मिल जाएगा उसके ऊपर, प्लस असिस्ट, व्हाटएवर, क्लीन शीट. मिडफील्डर को भी 1 आध पॉइंट मिलता है. सो इफ यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ गोल्स, गो विद द अटैकिंग प्लेयर. मिडफील्डर्स भी आजकल डेफकॉन दे देते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द रिकवरीज. लाइक समवन लाइक गोमेज, काफी ही इज प्रीटी गुड फॉर डेफकॉन एज वेल. एंड व्हेन ही स्कोर्स, ही स्कोर्ड लाइक कपल ऑफ ब्रेसेस. तो हाई सीलिंग पिक है, डेफकॉन पोटेंशियल भी है. जितना कम्युनिटी में देख रहा हूँ, पीपल आर, आई थिंक, ओवर एम्फसाइजिंग जस्ट ऑन डेफकॉन्स. They're not looking at attacking threat of players. Even in terms of defenders, there are a couple of defenders जिनके attacking upside है, but they're not being considered just because वो defcons ज़्यादा नहीं रहते. But it just takes 1 assist with a clean sheet and you're flying, right? So defcons are also not guaranteed. Even attacking returns are not guaranteed. You just have to balance them out.
That's just final question. I'm seeing Villa and Forest के better clean sheet odds है than Chelsea and Bournemouth, and obviously Senesi Hill काफी actually popular. दोनों में से एक, some people are goalkeeper के लिए जा रहे हैं. थोड़ा सा ये पुट ऑफ करता है आपको, मतलब कि 39% क्लीन शीट, मतलब आई डोंट थिंक बोर्नमूथ की एक भी क्लीन शीट आएगी. सो बेसिकली सेनेसी हिल को आप केवल डेफकॉन या मे बी एन अटैकिंग रिटर्न के लिए आप लोगे.
Yeah, but you get 2 shots at it, right?
Yeah.
That's the thing. बोर्नमथ आर केपेबल कि वो रैंडमली एक क्लीन शीट निकाल ले. एक क्लीन शीट आपकी आ गई अगर, तो यू एक्सपेक्ट कि बोथ मैचेस में दे विल हिट डेफकॉन्स एंड देन यू हिट डबल डिजिट. जबकि अगर आप विला की बात करो, विला में पता ही है, आर नॉट रिलायबल फॉर क्लीन शीट्स. फॉरेस्ट का फिर भी चांस है बिकॉज बर्नली है, बट इट्स अगेन अ सिंगल मैच. दे गोना बी प्लेइंग आफ्टर यूरोपा. आई थिंक दे गोना पोर्टो अवे ऑन थर्सडे. सो क्विक टर्न अराउंड है उनका भी, कोई गारंटी नहीं होती प्रीमियर लीग में. देखो, so I would still say कि अगर आपको similar दिख रहे हैं, go for the double player because at least you get 2 shots. And the game changer I think is Defcons, because अगर clean sheet odd आपके same है तो आप clean sheet की probability same है, but आप ज़्यादा Defcons मिल सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So वो I think थोड़ा सा I think change है from previous seasons. So go for the double player, especially if on free hit.
Fair. We move on or
yeah, I think we should move on. Yeah. Let's talk. Yeah, I think ये हो चुका है. Let's talk about our respective free hit teams. Bhadi Saab, as quickly as possible, take us through your team and your thinking behind it.
So this is just a rough draft. Not too much thought is gone behind it, but I would talk about just the nailed on players. Triple City is nailed on. जैसे आपने कहा, which 3 city I'm not sure. Haaland definitely रहेगा. Semenyo I'm not sure. Maybe you could take him on with Shirky, but that might be an unnecessary risk as well. That has to be seen based on O'Reilly's news. If O'Reilly's ruled out, whether you replace him with a defender, whether you go triple city attack, I think that's possible. Leeds का एक defender पक्का रहेगा, might be a double up there. Everything else is up in the air. It's just placeholders at the moment. I like Calvert-Lewin because even though he's not done anything for the last lot of weeks, बहुत chances मिल रहा है. Leeds versus Wolves is a game. I back Leeds to score a couple of goals. Calvert-Lewin is on penalties as well, so feels like he's very likely as a goal scorer. And defensively, Bijol has started the last few. I'm not sure how nailed he is, but he's very good for Defcons as well. So I like those picks. Baki, even Tavernier, Palmer, João Pedro, I'm not sure about Chelsea, so I might bench one of them or replace one of them. I like Krupi. So it will either be Krupi or Tavernier for me. And probably my pick of the Brighton mids could be Gomez or Hinchelwood. But nothing is certain. My question to you guys actually was, since so many people are bench boosting with, let's say, 15 doublers, so they have 4 doublers on the bench, you would expect them to outscore your free hit by at least 20 points. How do you counter that? What kind of risk do you take, or what kind of picks do you take so as to negate that deficit?
You wanna go first, Rakshit?
Yeah, I don't think you should factor that at all.
Exactly my point. Yeah.
कि आप bench boost से कैसे compete करो in this week. You just pick the free hit team जो आपके हिसाब से best कर सकती है. Because you will also have a bench boost opportunity when they will not. So वो आपको maximize करना है. So you just focus on your team rather than saying कि वो वाले players का bench boost कैसे होगा. उनकी क्या teams हैं, क्या structure है, वो देखना पड़ेगा. But just go with the picks जो आपको लग रहा है best कर रहे हैं. Simple.
You can definitely
yeah.
go with a lone differential, right? Let's say between two players you are not too sure if you feel same potential है, like दोनों का. Let's say if you want to punt on a Hinchelwood or a Gomez, like just go with a, let's say, lesser owned player. अगर आपको बहुत difference लगेगा, that's the only one thing I would change. Just मैं थोड़ा lone differentials पे ज़्यादा focus करूँगा. But other than that, as Rakshit said, I don't think अगर आप कोशिश भी करोगे तो you can try to get closer to those 20 points that you feel like you're going to lose on the bench boosters. But I just feel like you should just focus on your 11 and जब आप bench boost करोगे, you'll hope कि आपकी जो bench हो उसमें हो सकता है बहुत doublers ना हो, but they come as close to as जो 33 में bench boost score हो रहा है average. So but Bhatia sahab, my question to again you is कि if O'Reilly is, let's say, it's a vague update, right? Are you leaning more towards, let's say, a triple attack, let's say a Haaland, Semenyo, and Cherki, or let's say Haaland, Semenyo, or a Nunes or a Guehi? Because that is something I'm dealing with.
I'll replace him with a defender if he's confirmed ruled out. But if there's a chance that he plays even one, I might just keep him because the upside is so high. Even with a single game of O'Reilly, he could easily outscore some of your other double defenders.
But what about your guy, Matheus Nunes? Your favorite?
I've given up on him. I should have got O'Reilly like 4-5 weeks back. I delayed. He's clearly the better pick. He's getting the chances. Nunes is good. He's not a bad pick. You could double up O'Reilly and Nunes.
But आपको अगर doubt है O'Reilly का एक match पे, तो Nunes over 2 matches versus O'Reilly 1 match. That is the question.
Yeah, that's a good question. That has to be considered.
And
but just
do you
that
think there
Nunes
is
has no goal threat. He has his assist potential. You would expect him to get 1 assist over 2 weeks. No defcons. O'Reilly gives you goals, and that gives you bonus. So the ceiling is much higher even with O'Reilly.
Do you think it's a viable strategy to go double City defense?
Absolutely. I think it's an underrated differential strategy. Title deciding moments chal rahe. Games are usually close. You don't see too many high scoring games. Clean sheets are likely. And Arsenal are not playing very well. They could score against Sporting as well. Last few games, हमने देखा है Arsenal का attack कैसा है. So I think all of us predict that City has a very good chance of clean sheet even against Arsenal, and then they play Burnley. So 2 pretty good games for clean sheets. There's no reason not to double up. Just that आप किसको drop करोगे? Semenyo is like 50% owned. We know he can explode as well. It's very risky dropping Haaland, so that is a problem.
Actually, I was just thinking more about Semenyo versus Cherki, right? But if obviously मैं O'Reilly पे update नहीं मिलता, but Pep comes out and say O'Reilly is fit, right? I think that will make me lean more towards Cherki because जब O'Reilly खेलता है तब Semenyo थोड़ा सा wide होता है, because Doku उधर wide होता है और Semenyo उधर wide, and we have seen जो ये new tactics जो deploy करे, obviously Semenyo बहुत shots भी नहीं ले रहा है in the last 4 matches. If you see सिटी के, Semenyo is not taking a lot of shots. Obviously, he's very clinical. वो one shot one goal मार सकता है. And other game is Burnley, but I just feel both defenses में they'll need Cherki just to break down, क्योंकि दोनों थोड़ा सा sit back करेंगे, Arsenal and Burnley, right? And in those sort of matches, I think Cherki पे थोड़ी सी reliance for creativity ज़्यादा होगी over Semenyo. So if Pep comes out and say O'Reilly is fit, I might just go with, let's say, Haaland, Cherki and O'Reilly. Just
I would
valid.
disagree with this. I would disagree with this. I don't think any of this matters against Burnley. They are too bad a team. I think Semenyo won't fucking matter if he's playing central, forward, wide right. He can easily bang a brace against Burnley. You
Yeah,
just have to
that's-
see the sort of season he's having. And it's not like he stopped scoring goals, right? So मतलब बर्नली मैच में अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि सेमेन्यो 2 गोल मार देता है, मैं तो सरप्राइज नहीं होऊंगा बिल्कुल. दैट इज
Fair.
द
It could be
हालेंड मार
something
सकता है,
like
सेमेन्यो
Semenyo
मार सकता है,
scoring a
simple.
brace and Cherki's getting the assist. So-
yeah,
हो सकता है.
Cherki is more of an assister, definitely. Yeah.
मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कुछ क्रिएटिविटी कंसर्न्स है अगेंस्ट बर्नली, कहीं से भी आ सकती है. आई वोंट बी इवन सरप्राइज कि अगर कुछ चेंजेस भी करता है पेप, लाइक रेंडर्स और व्हाटएवर, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो. बट मेरे को लगता है कि आई थिंक बर्नली इज अ ग्रेट मैच फॉर सेमेन्यो पर्सनली एंड हालेंड. And Cherki is maybe a better match. Arsenal is probably a better match for Cherki.
Yeah.
But I am not sure कि O'Reilly का presence या absence Burnley match में कैसा affect करेगा Semenyo को.
Burnley matches, yeah, fair.
They are I think they are the worst team in the league right now.
Yeah.
I think along with Tottenham. But मुझे लगता है कि इससे अच्छा मैच नहीं है for attackers Burnley.
Yeah. So
but
when you
हमने
say that,
डबल्स
then
में
you need
देखा
two
है
attackers,
कि
right?
Yeah.
हमने देखा है डबल्स में भाटिया साहब की डिफेंडर्स हम वी कीप इग्नोरिंग एंड डबल्स में डिफेंडर्स कम आउट ऑन टॉप. पता नहीं क्यों.
Yeah.
बहुत बार
Always.
देखा हमने.
Always. Yeah.
And O'Reilly is
Stones
not even a
started with
defender,
it.
right? He's an attacker. He's not a
Stones,
defender.
I think few weeks back got 25-pointer or something.
Who?
John Stones,
Yeah, a few seasons back, yeah.
29-pointer or something like that. 2 goals.
Yeah, 28 or 29 pointer, yeah, something
yeah.
like that in the double. I think he got a brace and he got couple
He
of
got a
assists
brace
on-
in one game. Yeah.
Yeah. But yes, sorry, last question on Chelsea. You have Chelsea double up. Because we were doing predictions and हम तीनों ने Chelsea को 2 goals दिए over the 2 matches. How sure are you on, let's say, Joao Pedro और Palmer? अगर आपको किसी एक को preference देनी है तो who do you go for?
I'm definitely not sure on either of them, but if I have to play one, it would most likely be Palmer, just because he's on penalties. I would bench Joao Pedro or replace him with another striker or midfielder, depending on what I get and when I make my final team. But like I said, this is just a placeholder, and I'm not happy or even confident about double Chelsea attack.
Fair.
I don't think they're worthy of a double Chelsea attack right now, the way they're playing. Just that ownerships are there, but I think take on kar sakte hai ownership ko.
Fair. Okay.
Okay, let's go to your team. This is your team. You don't have O'Reilly, but if O'Reilly is fit, you will have him. If
So
not, then you'll have Nunes.
If O'Reilly पे wake update, I won't have him. I don't think one fixture O'Reilly, and I just feel like Arsenal are a team जो obviously O'Reilly is good at headers, but they'll mark him now. It's not like कि, they'll keep ignoring, like, O'Reilly open आ रहा है, runs बना रहा है. So I just feel like if he's preferred in the Arsenal match and if he's 70% fit, I won't have him personally. So I'd most likely go with Matthias Nunes in case if हमें O'Reilly पे कुछ weeks update मिलता है. If he says he's fit and he's good to go for, then I'll probably get O'Reilly. I liked what Bhatia साहब का defense में हुआ था, and I think I'll do the same. I think I'll get Struijk की या Bichol की जगह पे Van Hecke and Darlow. I think that's a better combination in terms of, let's say, save point of view, and Van Hecke will get clean sheet अगर मैं expect कर रहा हूँ Brighton की, let's say, in an एक match. So Van Hecke might get def cons in both matches as well. So I liked वो वाला thing, but most likely my thinking is जो मैंने भाटिया साहब से पहले भी question पूछा था is I'm more leaning towards a 4-3-3 because doubles में, and I personally feel कि my team has done well because in majority matches I have played 4 defenders. I had Tarkovsky who has given me a lot of goals. I've had O'Reilly who has given me a lot of goals. Right, I have Thiaw who has given me a lot of goals. These centre backs have really plus DEFCON. So usually जब भी hall होता है वो बहुत बड़ा hall होता है. That's why I'm leaning more towards a 4-3-3 rather than a 4 midfielder spots. The players I've currently logged are Haaland, Welbeck, Tavernier, one Leeds defender, one City defender, and the goalkeeper. It can be a Leeds goalkeeper or a Brighton goalkeeper. I'm not sure on Krupi. I'm not sure on Senesi. I'm definitely not sure on Palmer. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है if it's even worth getting one Chelsea attacker because I don't see them scoring a lot of goals. But I think Welbeck is something I know he might be benched for the second match क्योंकि 3 days में matches हैं. But I just feel like he can actually haul. If I don't go with Welbeck, I'll definitely go with a Gomez or a midfield punt as a Brighton attacker because मुझे ऐसा लगता है Brighton are the second team जो मुझे लगता है City के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा goals मारेगी in the double. Personally, yeah. So that this is my sort of draft for now. But yeah, changes होंगे
But
काफी.
do you think कि Brighton will keep a clean sheet?
I think they can in one. I have owned Verbruggen in the last 10 game weeks and in
So
the last 6-7
if you
they've
bring
been
in Van
really,
Hecke,
really good. Yeah.
you're going for a double Brighton defense then.
No,
Are you
if I bring
confident
in
कि-
if I bring in Van Hecke, I'll go with Darlow.
but
I'll
is-
go 2 leads.
But Darlow is he certain to start?
Yeah, I think so. He has started the
Perry
last.
का कोई threat नहीं है क्योंकि ये concerns है community में.
I think also I don't know if it was a manager quote or something because Perry also made that mistake in the cup match right when he played it. So there was a lot of fan backlash and a lot of fans have been saying that Perry won't get into the team. Obviously, we don't know. Only the manager knows. But I think Darlow is safe personally.
And is
But if-
Bijol nailed on for both games?
I think
Depends
Bijal
on
should be
Rodon.
fine. Yeah, depends on Ronaldo.
What I mean if they go for the back 4 against Wolves at home, if they change the system because Wolves है,
Who
one
drops
of them
out?
will drop out. पता नहीं, I don't know.
It could be one of Bijol or Stroik dropping out, right?
I think most likely Bijol because
I think it will be Strike. Though I think
Justin-
is nailed. Yeah.
Justin may start. Bornau is there. फिर
Bogle
fullbacks में रोडॉन का
Bogle is
फिटनेस का
there.
मुझे पता नहीं क्या सीन है. बोगल तो हाँ, बोगल एंड गुडमुंसन मोस्ट लाइकली होंगे फुल बैक्स विंग बैक्स. सो
Justin
थोड़ा सा
plays
वो
CB
है.
also?
Sorry,
Justin plays CB in a 4 also?
I'm not sure. 3 में तो
No,
खेलता है.
I don't think he does, Rakshit. I don't think he does.
He might play as a right back also with
Yeah, he might play as a right back. Yeah, and then
But
Bogle can.
Bijol should be okay. Most likely he should be okay, I guess.
Yeah. But again, we'll just see at कि कौन सा एक lead. Obviously, Rodon पे भी update मिलेगा हमें. I think press आज है Leeds की, so we'll get evening तक an update. But yeah, I just think कि 2 Leeds defender जो भी combination होगा as a defender or a goalkeeper defender, I think I'm quite comfortable with that. क्योंकि एक clean sheet तो I can see Leeds pulling off. So yeah.
If you had to go for a attacker, Leeds attacker, let's say Calvert-Lewin, Bhatia Saab would be the pick या फिर और भी कोई option है, Okafor or someone.
I prefer Calvert-Lewin just because he's the focal point, even though he can't finish, but he gets the most chances and he's on penalties. अभी Okafor 2 shot 2 goal हर हफ्ते कर सकता है तो pick
And
him.
also, Rakshit, we were talking about Okafor has just came off an injury and he only played 70. I don't think he can play 2 days में 3 days के break में 2 matches. So most likely मेरे draft में Krupi की जगह Calvert-Lewin. Krupi versus Calvert-Lewin. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to go Joao Pedro. I don't like double Chelsea attack at all. So probably Krupi versus Calvert-Lewin में Rakshit, who would you prefer sort of? मतलब
Krupi.
who do you like more? Okay. Because of penalty factor, but वो तो Calvert-Lewin के पास भी है, right?
मतलब Calvert-Lewin पे trust ही नहीं मेरे को.
But he's getting loads of chances. Like
He's been
obviously,
getting
can't
chances
convert
all
it.
throughout his career.
Yeah, yeah.
यार the thing is कि this guy sometimes goes on streaks. तो अगर आपने उसे streak पे पकड़ लिया तो सही है. If he can be on a streak over this double also. But जो उसने bulk of his goals मारे थे वो succession में मारे थे. and they were in matches where people did not expect कि Leeds कुछ करेगी, and he kept scoring इधर लिवरपूल एंफील्ड सब जगह मार दिया उसने गोल. फिर उसके बाद एकदम नलका बंद हो गया और उसके बाद से गोल नहीं आ रहे. That is his problem. He keep hitting the post, missing big chances. Missing big chances means कि आप bonus में भी penalize होते हो. All these things will happen. He is the most likely goal scorer for Leeds for sure. But that doesn't always mean कि he will score. So अगर आप safe जाना चाहते हो आप Calvert-Lewin ले लो. But I think the play definitely is defense, double or
Yeah,
even
double.
triple.
Yeah.
Because I feel Leeds have a better chance of at least one than Bournemouth and Brighton and all these clubs.
I agree.
Purely because उनका एक मैच वुल्व्स है और सेकंड मैच में सेंटर बैक्स विल गेट डेफकॉन्स अगेंस्ट बोर्नमथ फॉर श्योर. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड स्ट्रेटजी. स्ट्राइक बिजॉल वर्ब्रुगन मेरे को पर्सनली थोड़ा बेटर लग रहा है देन लेट्स से गेटिंग वैन हेका एंड डार्लो.
Something to think about. Yeah.
Okay, this is my team. Currently सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में कुछ, but I don't have Haaland and at this stage I don't care. So I'm gonna drop one of Haaland and Semenyo, most likely Haaland. So that means कि I'm gonna take some City punts और O'Reilly की थोड़ा सा भी doubt होता है. I might drop O'Reilly also. Might go with like a Nunes, Cherki, Semenyo. This sort of a combo. It depends. Might go for double defense. Also देखा जाएगा.
Actually, is triple attack an option? Doku, Cherki, and Semenyo.
Yes, it is. It is an option. But मतलब I'm gonna take some punts and this is like a draft जहाँ से आप punts उठा सकते हो अपनी free hit के लिए teams के लिए. I'm definitely gonna go Diego Gomez. मेरे को feel है उसकी और I understand कि why people are going extra defenders, which is fine. But I have seen this guy even before he came to Brighton and he has that whole potential. That's it. He may not start both the matches also. ये भी हो सकता है दोनों मैचेस में स्टिंकर भी डाल सकता है. बट मैं बैक कर रहा हूँ कि ब्राइटन 4 से 5 गोल स्कोर करेगी. दिस गाय हैज हॉल पोटेंशियल. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड हिंशलवुड एंड ऑल दीज गाइज आर देयर, बट मेरे को लगता है कि गोमेज इज द गाय जो ब्रेसेस मार सकता है रैंडम मैचेस में. टैवर्नियर मेरे लिए नेल्ड है. आई जस्ट लव द प्लेयर. बहुत अनलकी रहा टू नॉट हॉल ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू मैचेस. आई थिंक इज द बेस्ट बोर्नमथ अटैकर. नॉट श्योर अबाउट चर्की. आई थिंक इज मोर ऑफ एन असिस्ट गाय. ज़्यादा गोल नहीं मारता है. इसकी जगह मैं कुछ और प्लेयर पे पंट ले सकता हूँ. डिपेंड्स ऑन द टीम न्यूज़. क्रूपी इज द ओनली वन फॉरवर्ड लाइन में जिसके बारे में मैं श्योर हूँ. जितना जैसे जैसे ये पॉट जा रहा है मैं थोड़ा और डिसवेड हो गया हूँ फ्रॉम कैल्वर्ट-लुइन. आई जस्ट नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट हिम. वेलबेक अगेन नॉट वेरी श्योर अबाउट हिम. पाल्मर मैंने डाल दिया टीम में बट मोस्ट लाइकली बेंच पे होगा. आई एम नॉट गोना स्टार्ट एनी चेल्सी प्लेयर. आई थिंक Semenyo is going to be there in my team. Might captain him. I think Semenyo most likely will be my captain. Defense में I'm going to go double defense. Gudmundsson strike, one center back, one wing back. O'Reilly के ऊपर obviously depend करता है. Nico Williams, Gabriel is just like bench. And goalkeeper में Petrovic, Verbruggen में से I think एक I will start take a call closer to the deadline. तो बहुत सारे punts हैं. Nothing really to discuss really. Just want to have some fun, that's all.
Start Nico Williams if you want fun.
All I can say is I'd rather start Nico Williams than Palmer.
Well.
I'd rather start Nico Williams than Palmer.
Yeah, he's good for Hall this week as well.
Yeah.
Just on that question, Baidas, are you leaning towards going with a single game weaker as an option in your 11?
Bruno.
There are 2 single game weekers I would love to get. One is Nico Williams and one is
Bruno. Yeah. What are your like? How much percentage would you give the chance कि you're going to go with Bruno?
Less than 10.
I would put one more name in there purely because this guy has been insane and there are no forward options credible. Is Thiago.
Yeah.
He's 1 goal behind Haaland Golden Boot race.
Yeah.
Having the season of his life. He's almost 1 goal a game average. He's playing at home. Fulham are meh. Nothing to play for, etc. And I wouldn't be surprised if he bangs another brace. मतलब we are looking at Welbeck, Calvert-Lewin, Krupi Jr., all these guys. जबकि Thiago 20-25 गोल मार के बैठा हुआ है भाई इस सीजन. And we got to ignore him.
25 तो हालैंड ने भी मारे.
मारे हैं, but 25 में से I think 15 were in the first 10. उसके बाद again.
How does it matter? सीजन के 25
नेक्स्ट 6 में 15 और आ सकते हैं लेकिन we never know.
Bhatia साहब, do you think I don't know कि Haaland can score against Burnley? He can score a hat trick. But what will I gain captaining Haaland? Nothing.
But think
2.4
what will you
million
lose
से 2
not
million
having
आके क्या
Haaland?
करूँगा?
आप Haaland रखो और कैप्टन मत करो. You can
नहीं.
still do that. You will still gain rank.
No. If I'm not, I have to back against, because otherwise there's no point. I have to back. What? Okay. Tell me one thing. What will I gain by captaining Haaland?
You will still get a green arrow captaining Haaland if he scores.
And green arrow से मैं क्या
You're
2.4 million से
focusing too much.
1.5 million हो जाऊंगा?
Yeah, you can go 1.5
That's a 1 million
yeah.
gain. That's a
Yeah.
1 million. You're just focusing on rank right now. कि कितना gain कर लूंगा Haaland से. You told me to get the right players and not worry about the bench boosters. Are you getting the right players? You're worried about the
No,
rank.
I am not a template for a manager who's serious right now. You guys are. I'm
That's
just looking to have
just-
some fun. Simple.
But I think having Haaland is more fun than not having Haaland. For me,
Yeah.
personally.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मतलब trust me, when I sold Haaland, उसके बाद से उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया. कुछ भी नहीं किया. Literally कुछ नहीं किया.
Like when there is no
हालैंड
budget,
ने
if
मेरे को
you want to
जेन्युइनली
free hit,
बताओ, मेरे को जेन्युइनली बता, इस वीक को छोड़ दो, लास्ट 10 वीक में हालैंड ने क्या किया, आप मुझे बता दो. कुछ भी किया हालैंड ने? हाउ मेनी गोल्स हैज ही स्कोर्ड इन द लास्ट 10 गेम वीक्स?
he might have given all 2-pointers, 20 points in 10 weeks. वो एक हफ्ते में 20 पॉइंट दे सकते हो, आप भी चाहते हैं.
बिल्कुल दे सकता है. आई टोटली
Put
एग्री.
yourself in a position to get lucky rather than fighting the odds. Simple as that.
मतलब आई रियली डोंट थिंक कि मैं हालैंड कैप्टन करके कुछ उखाड़ सकता हूँ इन अ सीजन वेयर आई एम 2.4 मिलियन. और अगर लेट से हालैंड ब्लैंक करता है और लेट से मेरे प्लेयर्स कुछ सही करते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट मेरे को वो हाई मिलेगा, एंड दैट हाई इज द ओनली थिंग आई एम प्लेइंग फॉर. मतलब if I captain Haaland and he scored, I will feel nothing. Just feel nothing.
If you don't hold Haaland and he scores a hat trick against Burnley,
It won't matter because it's anyways over.
You'll be happy with the
Simple.
low.
There will be no low because I'm dead from within now. There is no low anymore for me. आप समझ नहीं रहे हो भाटिया साहब.
See, Bhatia sahab,
आप समझ.
sir, Bhatia sahab is already dead. Okay.
I'm dead.
He's
Please
dead.
understand.
Okay.
I'm not.
That's why I'm not trying to convince him, because I know he's dead. I don't think he'll get a. Obviously, hear me out. If Haaland scores a hat trick, he'll be pissed. Okay, but he'll be pissed for 2 minutes. That's it. He'll be like,
You know what he's going to say? You know what he's going to say? 10 हफ्ते टीम में था तब कुछ नहीं किया साला, ये हफ्ता
Allah
नहीं
ki
किया.
season
I will
Allah
not.
ki-
ये पक्का
I
आएगा
will
मैसेज.
not be pissed for even 1 second. Trust me. I'm 100% sure.
Rakshit, I've known you for 7 years.
मैं बताता हूँ, अगर डिएगो गोमेज कुछ नहीं करता है, I'll be more pissed than if Haaland like scored 6 goals in 2 matches. If I go for a punt and वो मुझे कुछ नहीं देता, तो मैं ज़्यादा डिसअपॉइंट होऊंगा. हालैंड से मुझे क्या लेना देना यार.
उसके बाद अक्षित बोलेंगे गोमेज का डेफकॉन एक सिर का गया यार, एक रिकवरी का और आ जाती, 2 पॉइंट और मिल जाते मुझे.
सी देखो, मैं बस ये बोलूंगा, आप सबको कि इट्स नॉट अबाउट हालैंड और नो हालैंड. You just go with your picks and have some fun, because in a free hit you don't know what will happen. So you just have to back yourself. जो आपको पसंद है पिक्स, उसके लिए आप जाओ, क्योंकि इट्स अ डबल गेम वीक, इट्स अ फ्री हिट. इस वीक में ऐसी चीज़ हो सकती है जो पहले चाहे नहीं हुई हो और बाद में भी शायद ना हो. So just go have some fun, go with some punt picks, enjoy. मैं तो बस ये बोलूँगा. Don't let anyone tell you कि आपको ये टीम में रखना चाहिए नहीं रखना चाहिए. Simple.
we'll see. Let's come back now. जो भी ये pod देखे अभी तक यहाँ पर है, like tune into the next pod to see how it all unfolded
Turns
and
out.
you know
How it all turns out. What if Haaland blanks? मुश्किल लग रहा है, but what if he blanks?
if he blanks,
What
then
if he
next-
blanks?
नहीं है, just that what if he bangs?
भाटिया साहब, why are you not getting it?
Rakshit,
I don't
Bhatia
care
sir,
if he bangs.
You're not
care
getting
if he
Rakshit ka
bangs.
high.
You're not
Rakshit-
getting my point.
The Rakshit is chasing that high.
Let me feel something, Bhatia साहब. Let me feel something. Let me feel
Sir,
something.
आपको फील
Haaland
करना, निको
scoring-
विलियम्स कैप्टन करो.
Haaland captain scoring a hat trick, I will feel nothing. Let me feel
I
something.
know that.
You know what?
That's all I'm saying.
We all know what will happen. Rakshit, Haaland will blank, but Rakshit Semenyo को captain करेगा. Semenyo will blank. Semenyo will blank, and then Diego Gomez will also blank. Right, Rakshit?
अच्छा भाटिया साहब, मेरे को एक चीज बताओ. लेट्स से आई नेल माय फ्री हिट, बहुत सही हो गया कैप्टन हालैंड, फिर मेरे बाकी एंड ऑफ द सीजन बहुत सही हुआ. व्हाट इज द बेस्ट रैंक आई कैन रीच आपके हिसाब से फ्रॉम दिस करंट पोजीशन?
How many points are you away from 1 million? Tell me the points. मनन चेक करो यार. if you can.
Rakshit, what's
यार
your
पाटिल साहब
team
आपसे
ID?
मैं अराउंड 120 पॉइंट पीछे हूँ, 130 पॉइंट आपसे।
मैं 1 मिलियन की बात कर रहा हूँ। आप अगर 1 मिलियन
100 पॉइंट लगा लो
follow-
ऑन एन एवरेज।
नहीं नहीं
Rakshit,
नहीं
Rakshit, what's your
67 points.
what's your team ID?
2516।
Okay. I'll just look at it.
How far
Right.
away is he from 1 million?
So he is just a second. From 1 million, he is 75 points.
ठीक है,
Good.
मैंने 75 पॉइंट्स गेन कर लिए तो मैं 1 मिलियन हूँ। अगर मैंने 100
Yeah.
पॉइंट गेन कर लिए तो मैं कोई 700-800 के होऊंगा। अगर मैंने 125 पॉइंट गेन कर लिए तो मैं 400-500 के होऊंगा। क्या करूंगा मैं 400-500 के का 125 पॉइंट गेन करके, बताओ।
सर
कुछ
वो
नहीं।
तो 10 के फिनिश करके भी क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं होता है। 50 के
नहीं।
फिनिश करके भी कुछ नहीं होता है। अगर आप
नहीं,
फर्स्ट
भाटिया
नहीं आ
साहब,
रहे तो मतलब ही नहीं है।
नहीं 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 भाटिया, ऐसा नहीं होता। जैसे आप
यार आप
प्रीमियर लीग में हो,
पार्टी साहब प्लीज, मैं मेरी रैंक पे बहुत खुश हूँ, ऐसा मत करो।
अगर
अरे
आप
मैं
प्रीमियर
जानबूझ
लीग,
के बोल रहा था यार कि उससे भी कुछ नहीं होता।
यार मेरे को एक चीज, अगर आप मैन यूनाइटेड हो, आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि लेट्स से 16 फिनिश करे, 15, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 मैटर ही नहीं करता आपको, आप कहाँ फिनिश कर रहे हो। या तो आप फिनिश करो टॉप 5 में, या फिर जस्ट फिनिश लाइक
Relegate हो
15,
जाओ।
16, 12, 13, 11, doesn't matter. It is not acceptable anyways. It's a dead season. It's a failure season.
Be like
It's a season
Tottenham.
you forget and just focus on the next season. Simple. It
Be
doesn't
like
matter कि आप
Tottenham.
9th, 10th, 11th finish कर रहे हो. It
सही बात है।
just feels nothing. It's a nothing season basically. So I just want to feel something. That's
What's
it.
what's
It doesn't
that
matter.
rank, Rakshit, where you feel like you said top 5, right? FPL में what's that top 100K is that threshold, top 50K for you?
यार मतलब टारगेट वाज टॉप 50 के, बहुत मुश्किल हो गया टॉप 10 के, राइट? टॉप 50 के इज द टारगेट, टॉप 100 के इज गुड। आई एम हैप्पी विद टॉप 100 के आल्सो। उसके बाहर तो मैटर ही नहीं करता।
Okay.
मतलब स्पेशली टॉप, अगर मैं 1 मिलियन भी होता तो देयर इज अ चांस कि मैं टॉप 200 के, टॉप 150 के टाइप हिट कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ से कोई चांस ही नहीं है ना,
So
कुछ चांस ही नहीं है। द बेस्ट आई कैन डू इज फिनिश लाइक 600-700 के, which means nothing anyways. What will I do? At least have some fun.
but at least it will be a K instead of an M.
It doesn't matter. मतलब if I'm worried about if I'm selling teams on Twitter, asking people DMs में कि हाँ मैं बेच रहा हूँ, तो मेरे को मैटर करेगा।
Rakshit, मेरी
जब
स्कीम
मेरे
मत
को मैटर
बताओ।
ही नहीं करता। और अगर आप इस पर्टिकुलर पॉडकास्ट की बात करो तो ठीक है, आप दोनों की बढ़िया रैंक्स आ रही है तो उसके लिए देखने आएंगे लोग। मेरे को क्या करना है इस पे ले देना।
सर मैं सर्वाइव कर रहा हूँ।
एक सेकंड, मैं ऑडियंस को आज भी बता देता हूँ।
एक सेकंड मुझे पहले कंप्लीट करने दो। इस बात का गवाह चोपड़ा साहब है। हम 3 दिन से पॉड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, पर मनन कह रहे हैं मैं अपने से बेटर रैंक वालों से ही पॉड कर रहा हूं।
Manan was not feeling well, hence he did not.
और
Is bullshit.
send me $5,000.
Exactly.
By the way, दोनों चीज नहीं, but I'm still here.
चोपड़ा साहब तो
दोनों
अपनी
चीज
किडनी बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, वो तो कोई खरीद नहीं रहा था, इसीलिए आपको पैसे बेच नहीं पाए।
5 रुपए
किडनी
तो आज
बेचने
भी ये
गया
पॉड
बट
नहीं होता
वो
था।
किडनी खराब निकली, वो भी नहीं बेच पाया। So yeah.
नहीं, but मतलब रक्षित आप कितना ही कुछ कह रहे हो, I'll still say my favorite FPL content creator in general, any content creator is Rakshit Chopra. I'll say this with a straight face. So everyone is gonna tune in.
It's a great time to wrap up the pod. जाने से पहले दोस्तों, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's share our drafts on Telegram.
Yeah, we'll,
जो final free hit draft होगा before
let's
the
do it.
deadline. Let's commit to that on Saturday.
Yeah.
So Telegram channel दोस्तों जरूर आप join करना। लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड पिन कमेंट एज वेल। वेरी शॉर्ट पॉड गाइस, 50 minutes. So let's wrap it up. All the best दोस्तों, whatever your strategy is for game week 33, play it your way and we'll see you very soon. Bye.
Cheers guys, thank you.
Cheers guys.